Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate your My Progress and how to find it in WarriorWeb. If you're at your home page on WarriorWeb, you can get to your My Progress by going to the Student Planning button and then My Progress. If you'd like to use the gray tab on the side, you can go to the Academics, under the Student Planning tab, and then My Progress. In your My Progress, you'll see a few different things. You can see what program that you're a part of. You'll also see some different credit number bars. So 120 credits is a bachelor degree minimum credit amount, and you'll see where you are with that. So this student has 46 out of 120 credits. You'll also see how many credits you have from LC State. We have a residency credit requirement of 32 credits, meaning you need 32 credits from LC State to get an LC State degree. Scrolling down, you'll see first your core requirements. So that's your Idaho GEM core. This student has actually completed all of her GEM core requirements, but you can go ahead and see exactly which ones are completed and what they were completed with. So if you go into show details and then show details, you can actually see that she took Math 143 to get her transfer equivalency. So she transferred this in. So you can see show details for all sorts of different things. That way you can see exactly what something transferred in as, and you can see what you took to complete that requirement. Then as you scroll down, you'll see major courses. So these are programs within your major or your program degree and are required for that degree. So you can see that this student has taken two classes, so 6 credits altogether of required courses, meaning that she has 2 out of 11. If you have planned the class, it will be tan and say planned. If you're in the class, it'll show that you're in the class. For this student, it actually shows that she hasn't started any classes yet. So she's transferred into, but she's not started or planned any others. If you keep scrolling, there's some other courses. You can see here required social work courses, and they list out the numbers, and you can also see them here as well. This is take 9 additional credits of upper division social work numbered 300 or above. You might see that where either here or down here you see program electives. Sometimes in a program there is the option to take classes as long as it fits within a certain parameter. So for program electives, for example, this student can take 6 credits, so roughly 2 classes of program electives from anthropology, history, political science, or sociology, as long as they are numbered 300 or 400, so 300 or above. So as long as it's any of those subjects and 300 or 400 or above, this student can take it to complete her 6 credits of program electives. Scrolling down, we also see there's a 36 upper division credit requirement. So credits numbered 300 or above, you can see there what classes count for that and how many credits you have left to complete that. You also see the 120 credit if you want to see exactly what credits come in to complete that 120. And if you have credits that don't transfer into something to LC State, it will list those under the other courses here. My Progress is a really great tool to be able to see what you have left, what credits you have left, and what classes you need to take and what classes you have taken and how they transfer in. If you have any questions about navigating your My Progress, you can always contact your advisor, or you can contact LC State CDA at 208-292-1378.